What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a unicorn nail on my Red Iguana silicone hand. So I'm going to be using Speed Clear. Well, no, actually, it's just regular clear acrylic from Young Nails. And that color that I've just showed is going to be the color that I do after I'm done with filing and shaping the nail and stuff. The thing to remember with this unicorn nail is you need to build this nail up thicker than what you typically would on a regular nail. Okay, now that all the nails are prepped and ready, I'm just gonna go in with my file and I turn it up to like 14,000 or 15, and I just dig into the nail with the tip of the bit. And I just drag it where I want it and make sure that when I do go over the ridges that I already went in, where I already went in at, I just make sure that I get it in that same spot and I'm not making, the lines inconsistent. And the reason that I go back in and do it a second or third time is just to make them a little bit deeper to get a better effect. The thing to remember when using gel polish on a unicorn nail is you're going to want to go to side, and you definitely want to take most of the gel polish off of the brush before you go in on the nail, because it will just kind of like fill up the little dips. And the thing to remember, like I said, is using a little bit of product for these. On mine, you could definitely tell that the gel polish filled up the nails. So just make sure you wipe each side of your brush before you go in with your gel, and you should be fine. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment in the description anything that you possibly want to see, or if you are curious about any products that I use that I didn't mention. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.